In this part of the tutorial series, we will show you how simple and easy it is to create C code for your own sensor application from scratch or by using our ready-made example code. This is the code used to read data from a CO2 sensor. It will be used as a starting point and will be easily converted to a code which reads accelerometer data. We start by defining the three variables where we will store the accelerometer data. Then, in the setup function, we initialize the SPI connection. We also create the read and write buffers. We set up the GPIO which is needed for the chip select in the SPI. This read sensor function is for a CO2 sensor. We need a new one for the accelerometer. We start by writing the write command from the datasheet of the accelerometer. Then, we proceed by defining the size of the read and write buffers. We then set the GPIO to high and then we read data from the read buffer while also converting its unit to milli-G. And lastly, we check if our node is online, then we pack 16-bit integer values into byte buffers. The rest of the code, including the send data function, can be left unchanged. Now, after having your application up and running, stay tuned for part 3, where we will show you how to connect your sensor node to the cloud.